Come test drive the 2017 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all-season, brake assist. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.